In front of me is Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to close all running apps on the following device. So at first you have to slide from your left edge to see all apps that are currently active. Here you've got them, so you can smoothly see all of them right here. And actually you need to close them all one by one, just like this. And that's it. As you can see, if you'll drag from here right one more time, you will not be able to find any running app in the background. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can optimize your device by turning off all running apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.